Hello everyone, and you're most welcome back to our channel. I'm Emmanuel, a medical clinician in this refugee hosting community in northern Uganda. Today, November 14th, marks World Diabetes Day, which is a day dedicated to spreading awareness about diabetes worldwide. So today we will delve into what diabetes is and why this day is very much important and how you can get involved in raising awareness about diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects how your body turns food into energy. It's actually a metabolic disorder. There are two main types. Type 1, where the body doesn't produce insulin, and type 2, where the body produces insulin but the use is not properly due to tissue resistance to the work of insulin. Statistically, did you know that over 400 million people live with diabetes globally, and that number is expected to rise? This makes initiatives like World Diabetes Day crucial for education and prevention efforts. So, World Diabetes Day isn't just about awareness, it's about promoting healthier lifestyles, early detection, and supporting those living with diabetes. It's aimed to reduce the impacts of diabetes through education and advocacy. So you find in this refugee hosting community, the non-communicable disease clinics are every Wednesdays and Fridays, whereby the turnover is really so much among us, the elderly, and also sadly it is so much coming to the younger generation, the children who always come with type 1 diabetes or even type 2 diabetes, which is so much unfortunate, and it is bothering this community, which is really so much disadvantaged. So we need to always raise awareness majorly about healthy lifestyle to our kids in different schools, so that they get to know the fatalities and the distractions caused by the burdens of these diseases like diabetes mellitus, maybe type 2, which is so much really preventable if we talk to our children at our schools, at the different communities, so that we bring down the risks associated with these diabetes cases. So I would love to first give you some of the simple ways you as a person can make a difference during this World Diabetes Day, because I do believe everyone in this world deserves a second chance to live, and sharing kindness by ensuring someone is healthy somewhere is really so much important. One is, every day you need to educate yourself, learn about diabetes mellitus and its risk factors, and talk to the children around in schools and the different community where you are in. Secondly, you need to spread awareness, share information on social media or in your community, empower people to know about diabetes, especially type 2, which is all really so much preventable if we manage our diets very well, if we don't take sugar so much in our tea, in our milk, and this can be trained. We can talk to our children, mostly the kids, they really love sugar, but if we talk to them, we can make a very big impact in this community. Also, we need to support organizations like this, the Clinicians Alliance for Child Health, which is my own organization, which is really trying to create a healthier community and ensuring that every child in this community grows up into healthy adults, to ensure a safer, happier, and equitable opportunities for us, because God created every child in this world with a purpose. So we need to all grow up and fulfill our purpose in this world, not that we should die at a very young age, and many children die at a very young age because of preventable diseases like diabetes type 2, or even malaria, or even diarrhea, waterborne diseases in this community, which is really so much disadvantage. So as young people, we need to rise up and we need to raise awareness. So support these organizations, donate or volunteer with diabetes organization to see how we can put this to an end. Remember, diabetes affects millions worldwide, but with the awareness and action, we can make a difference. Join us in supporting World Diabetes Day, and together let's work towards a healthier future. So in this community, we need really support to see how we can make a change in this refugee hosting community in Uganda. First of all, we need fundings for making community outreaches, because the roads are not so much good, so we need to move to different places, which is really so much costly, so that we go to different schools, we talk about this diabetes, we talk about healthy living styles, so that we also bring down the burdens of these preventable conditions. And also you find many children who really need to take their blood sugar levels every day, or maybe in a very periodic time, might not be able to afford the blood glucose test strips, which are really so much expensive, and also getting a glucometer for them is really so much expensive. So we also need support there. If you can support us in getting glucometers for the different children in this community, so that they can be able to take their sugar levels now and then, so that they also know which amount of insulin they should give themselves. Good enough, sometimes there are drug stockouts, mostly the insulins, but many support organizations always help us to promote health here. So the biggest concern is about a glucometer, which we need these children to be having, so that they can take their blood sugar level, and also periodically empower them with the glucose test strips, which is really what I'm asking for now. And we need to support each other to see we are creating a very healthy community. That's all for today's video. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and you hit the bell icon for more health related contents about this community. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.